What up guys, my name is Kong and today I'm going to be talking about The Vast of Night. The Vast of Night. It's on Amazon Prime, excuse me. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this movie a try, see what it's all about, and just go with the flow, just take it, watch it, and see what it's all about. So this movie is about the little town with the strange sound. That's it. Those are the only two things that you should know about this movie. So what did I like about this movie, guys? I liked the main actor. I thought he was really good. He really had that 50 accent, that 50 demeanor, that 50s talk, tone. He really almost embodied that era. And the girl, the young, I would say the young middle school girl, she's 16. She did a really wonderful job of exhibiting a young 16. The accent, the talk, the way she moved, her demeanor is the same. That these two actor and actress, they did a wonderful job. They were the strong point of this movie. They've made the movie what it is. It's believable that these people really exist at the time. This time of in the century, in the early 40s. I say in the 50s because the cars you can look at it is 50s cars. So it has that. That talk, the feel, the look, even the dress, even the clothing remind me of the 50s. And also the equipment that they use, the radio, the plug-in, the operator, the dial up, the cars, the building, it had the 50s look. So they got the set piece right. They got the material, the props right, and I like that a lot because I feel like that's really important, especially in a period movie like this one. You have to get the props and the setting right for us the audience to actually believe that the character actually exists in that time, in that era, living that time. So I like that. What did I like? I like the interaction between the main characters and between them, and then there's little other characters, and then the woman. She tells a story, but it's okay. So those are the two best things. Actually, three: the main actors and the actors, and then the props and setting. So let me get to the thing I don't like about this movie is there's a lot of talking in this movie. A lot of talking. A lot of talking. Not enough showing. It just doesn't have that show us, don't tell us, show us. Because it's better to show us what's really going on. Give us the visual. Don't give us the talk, because we're just gonna drown out. We're just not gonna listen, because we as humans, we talk every day. We talk all the time. We get tired of hearing. It's just in general. No, it's nothing against anybody. It's just that we get tired overall. So this movie just talk to the end of the movies. So that was the biggest downfall of this movie. The script wasn't that good. It was alright, but it wasn't good. It doesn't give the story more content. It doesn't give the story more nuances. It doesn't give the story life. It doesn't. The script is very flat. Not because of the actor or actress fault. It's just that the script was weak. It just didn't seem strong. The event and leaning to the finding out what this the sound is. We see it, but it just lacked the tension. It lacked the build up. It does have some build up, but it doesn't quite have it. The building's not good to it. The ending it's not that great. It's just a lot of talk. I just can't emphasize that. Just too much talking. Not enough showing. No, it's just like that is it in this movie. I know I'm mentioning it many times in this review. So I'm gonna end there, guys. What was the rating I give this movie, guys? I give it a 6. I say a 5 out of 10, guys. I think it's on borderline good and not good. It's one of those movies. It reminds me a lot of Steven Spielberg movie. It's the Encounter the first of the third kind of like that. It's kind of like a lot of the old sci-fi movie like E.T., Star Wars, a little bit of Star Wars, not so much, but a lot of Steven Spielberg movie, a lot of kind of like Hitchcock film, but it's just didn't do it. Doesn't quite get there. Doesn't go all the way to the home base. So, 5 out of 10, guys. Check it out if you have the time or you like that sort of genre. Check it out on Amazon Prime. It is called The Vest of Night. Anyway, guys, please like, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and browse to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of content for you guys to check out. Please do so, and take care. Bye-bye.